How to delete advertising ID or reset advertising ID, or simply just help reduce the amount of ads that appear on your Poco X7 Pro phone. So if you want to reduce how much ads show up or delete them for the most part, here's where you can go to do this. You'll start by going into the settings here, or if not, use the quick access and go to here. Once you're in this section here, you want to go down until you see Google. The Poco X7 Pro phone does have Google services. So once you get there, you'll see this here, Google here. So you'll go into that. And once you enter into this part, you'll see recommended and all services. So go to the one that says all services over here. And as you enter here, you're going to see all these options, and just go down the list until you reach to privacy section right here. And you'll see ads over here. Now you have two options: either reset it, that's going to keep your advertising ID, creating a new one, but you'll still get some ads showing up. And you have the delete one here, which no longer use the advertising ID to show you personal ads. Now this one would be your best option, and it's simply just going to delete it. But the thing with this, eventually it's going to give you one later on, as it shows right here. But for that time being, it's going to reduce the amount of ads shown to you, whether you're like on a video site like Google or any site, shopping sites. And then if you go to another site, you'll notice that you are seeing items suggested to you to buy from that previously viewed or visited site that you were on. That's going to show up there. So if you want to avoid that or reduce the amount of chances that happening, then go ahead and delete the advertising ID. All right. So like I said.